Hello, hello, happy springtime! And I am here walking, thinking what to do to give away to all the mothers that I'm going with to celebrate the Mother's Day. So I thought that I could use this pinkish stem of these tall grasses. I don't know exactly what's their name, but there's so many here. And I think that I can use some of its stem for my bouquet to give away to the birthday celebrants and to the mothers who will be celebrating with me the Mother's Day. So Mother's Day here in the Arab world is a day before the spring starts. It's March 21st. So as you see, I have these two bunches. Ones are greenish, and one is like pinkish. So please watch until the end so you will get the idea and you will see how it can be transformed into a beautiful bouquet. So I thought that this purple ribbon would be very nice on this. Look how gorgeous this orange one. You will adjust it so it can stand. I'm sure you know what I mean. So I have the one with the red ribbon that will go to one of my friends who loves color red. I am expecting 10 or 11 mothers that will be attending our Mother's Day celebration. So I'm going to make 11. One for the host, one for the birthday celebrant who loves color yellow. So watch until the end, guys. I'm gonna feature only one on how I will make it into, how will I transform this bunch of the grasses, stems of the grasses into a beautiful bouquet. But I'm going only to feature one, which is the yellow one. And that would go to the birthday celebrant. So I'm going to, as I said, I'm going to feature the yellow one because this will go to the birthday celebrant who really loves yellow. So I thought that using this dried weeping willow flower buds would be great. Yes, guys, they're dried. Oh, by the way, the name of this creation is the Forever Spring. Forever Spring because even if they are dried, which we used to see them always being made or being on trend on autumn season. But I thought that We can make it too on springtime, and we put the spring colors and everything. We will mix it with the very lively colors, and I think it would be great. I love the color of this weeping willow. If you wonder what is weeping willow is, I will feature a video about this plant and which part is the best one that you can collect and dry them, and they won't lose their natural color, which is, you can see it, it's a very nice color yellow. It didn't turn into brown. And there's also a tip or technique why it or like ways that your plants or your cuttings, they don't turn into brown, but they manage to have its own natural color. Even if it's dry, it's already dry. The most common way is that, like, when you dry them in a dark room with a lot of space, avoid the moist, and do not expose it to sunlight on drying them, when you're drying them. So now, ladies and gentlemen, our bouquet is ready. Exactly the way I wanted it. So yellow for the birthday celebrant. She likes yellow. Happy birthday! Yeah. It was such a grand day. And she was so happy. And that's her daughter. Okay, I'm sorry guys that I wasn't so focused on capturing the video because I got so excited. This is always the thing that I have to learn more and more. That's Winter Shine, our dear friend here in Whitey. Everyone was happy to choose what they wanted. Yeah, so from this to this, it's like a magic. Thank you for watching, guys.